The BHRT Provider Training Program is a convenient, affordable online training program. It teaches both the science and the application of bioidentical hormone replacement therapy so you can efficiently start seeing BHRT patients in 8 weeks without having to invest a lot of time, travel, or money. It's the solution for busy providers passionate about women's health who want to add a new revenue stream to their practice. The BHRT Provider Training Program is for providers that want to learn how to prescribe and implement BHRT into their practice. This program was created especially for licensed providers, including MDs, DOs, nurse practitioners, physician assistants, and pharmacists that want to learn the science and validity of BHRT, an in-depth study of the sex hormones, adrenal hormones, thyroid, and insulin, how to evaluate and test patients for hormone imbalance, how to conduct consultations, how to work up treatment plans based on BHRT prescriptions, nutraceuticals, diet, and lifestyle protocols. It's for busy providers that need a convenient learning platform. This program is specifically designed for busy medical providers that want to learn this modality in such a way that fits into their work and family life. That's possible because the lessons are broken down into 5 to 10-minute videos you can watch anytime on any device, such as during your lunch break at work, while folding laundry, or waiting in line to pick up your children. Watch as many videos as you have time for in one sitting. This program is for providers that have a passion for women's health and are tired of seeing women needlessly struggling with the issues and challenges that affect their quality of life. It's for providers that want to help their patients be free from perimenopausal, menopausal, or PMS symptoms such as fatigue, foggy thinking, mood issues like depression or anxiety, menstrual problems, low sex drive, sleep disturbances, and hormone-related weight gain. The BHRT Provider Program is especially designed for providers that feel stuck in their current stressful position, requiring them to see excessive numbers of patients each day. It's for providers that feel trapped in a medical system that doesn't allow them autonomy to implement evidence-based therapies like bioidentical hormones and supplements that are health-building instead of medications that only mask symptoms with potential side effects. It's for providers that want the freedom to work with each patient to develop customized treatment plans tailored to the patient's individual needs or goals. It's for providers that feel undervalued and underpaid, looking for revenue streams that can generate enough income to work for themselves. Included in the BHRT Provider Training Program are 68 bite-sized lessons you can sign into from any device, any location, at any time, a digital training manual, 30 bonus trainings from top BHRT experts for comprehensive training, weekly online midterm meetings with a practicing BHRT provider with your class for 2 months of student support, monthly master-level training live webinars for continued training and updates, monthly online Ask the Provider video conferencing for case reviews, periodic special training events on marketing, legal issues, practice building, and other support topics. Once you enroll in the program, you'll get placed into your class. A new class starts each month. You'll start listening to the online training videos. Once a week, you'll join in the weekly mentor meetings to discuss any questions you may have on the material and for a recap of each of the 6 units and case reviews. By the end of 2 months, you should be ready to confidently work with patients. After you've completed all the training and the mentor meetings, you can start attending the master's level training and Ask the Provider case study video conferencing. There is an application and acceptance process. You'll need to schedule a strategy call to help determine if our program is right for you. If it isn't, we'll offer optional suggestions for you. During your strategy call, you can ask your questions as well. be able to complete all of the educational training in 2 months. You'll have lifetime access to ongoing training and program updates as well. There isn't a payment plan for this program. However, we do accept all major credit cards. Our program does not provide clinical training. However, we can connect you to approved medical providers that offer shadowing opportunities for the graduates of the BHRT Training Academy. Graduates of the BHRT Training Academy can opt to take our online pellet training course at a special discounted rate once it's available. We work with affiliate licensed medical providers that offer insertion training too. Continuing education credits are not yet available for this program. However, with satisfactory performance on unit quizzes, providers will receive certification by the BHRT Training Academy.